Today we're going to be looking at 6 different stocks to be looking over this month. Currently the portfolio is looking at $74K. Get paid later on this month, probably on around like $3,000. Alright, so Amazon, I haven't really bought it in the past 3 months because we're going up market right now. We're going up in a bull market right now. As you see, this past 3 months is fucking up 26%. But there's still some gains to be done. There's still some gains to be had on this stock, so it'd be nice to have a quick look. Alibaba. So recently they had some good news in the past week. There was a nice little 9% over July 7th. And I don't know, maybe we'll be able to break 100. If we're able to break 100, I'll be pretty much around even on my average. And then we could possibly bring back up to around the 200s. That's the goal right now. If we get up to 200s on Alibaba, made in the bank. Possibly similar to bank to what I did on Meta stock. Disney stock is beat down. Talked about this stock before. Honestly, it's probably not going to hit for a while, but I do have faith in Disney at least. The park's really good, and also the entertainment as well, especially with the Disney Plus. Yeah, they're going hard in there, but we're going to have to wait more time. We're going to have to give Disney a little more time to see if they're going to take this company later on. PayPal also beat down stock, 5-year down. Over the 5 years is down 20%, which is pretty bad. I see over 2021 around like $300, so we're way off the peak with PayPal. But there's a possibility for it to come back to at least around the 100 range. If it does come to the 100 range, beat up my average, and actually see some gain on the stock. Around the P's around like 20, P's around 28. So close to the 52-week low. So there's a lot of growth to be had here. So if I've been starting to look at, so this stock is pretty low. It's not profitable yet, as we see right here, but it's close to profitability. If this stock get profitable then and maintain profitability, the stock could possibly move to around like either $14-12, but it's still good gain from $8. And last but not least is AT&T. AT&T is a dividend stock. If you're a dividend investor, you probably have AT&T in it, and you've realized that it has gone down the whole entire time. For 5 years, it's been gone. It's been pretty much for 5 years. AT&T has been going down. It's at negative 37% over the last 5 years, and it's currently holding around like 15. It hasn't been around 15 since like the 90s. So it's pretty nuts to believe that AT&T is at this low of a price. But if somehow AT&T could bring this back around, that'd be a nice gain. Like at least run to like the 20 or 18. A nice little jump. Also the dividend, they have brought it down, but it's currently at 7%. Usually when a dividend goes up to around 7%, it's not a good indication, because it's possibly that the stock itself has nowhere to actually innovate, and all they could do is really give money back to the investors, which is what we don't want to see for a tech stock necessarily. But for a dividend stock, you want to have around like 4% is pretty solid, 7% is pretty high. But AT&T is a pretty low dividend stock, so I really doubt that they're gonna chop the dividend. If they do, then like I could definitely see the stock bombing out. Today I actually bought around like $700 worth of AT&T, bringing my average to around $15.84, which is a little bit higher than what it is currently. But I think I bought it at a pretty good. I think I bought it at a pretty good price, at least, with everything included. That's it. That's the 6 stocks I'm looking at today. That's the 6 stocks I'm looking at this month. Keep you guys informed how it goes next month. Peace.